Welcome to TechNation, where we explore the world of technology and its impact on our daily lives. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the revenue generation model of one of the biggest tech giants in the world, Facebook. With over 2.9 billion active users, Facebook has become a household name, and its revenue model is something that has intrigued many tech enthusiasts. So, join us as we take a closer look at how Facebook generates its revenue and what makes its advertising platform stand out from the rest. Let's get started. Facebook, which began as an exclusive platform for Harvard students in 2004, has played a pioneering role in the social media revolution of the digital era. Its widespread popularity has contributed to globalization, and today it boasts over 2 billion users worldwide. Its founder, Mark Zuckerberg, was inspired by the platform's early success to expand it to the public domain, forever changing the virtual landscape. With internet connectivity available across the globe, Facebook is accessible to anyone, regardless of their location, nationality, or background. Given its widespread reach and the increasingly connected nature of our world, it's highly unlikely that people will abandon Facebook for alternative social media platforms such as Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram. The primary customers of Facebook are its users, who use the platform to communicate with people from around the world and engage with the outside community. The social media giant has evolved into a marketplace where users can buy and sell items such as clothing, jewelry, and fundraise for causes. Additionally, Facebook's Messenger Rooms feature enables remote workers and colleagues to hold virtual video conferences with up to 50 people. Advertisers and marketers are also key customers of the platform, generating revenue for the company by placing promotional ads. Finally, developers can use Facebook's app and game development platform, benefiting both themselves and Facebook, with companies like Zynga being prime examples of successful partnerships. Meta's various businesses include Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Reality Labs, and Meta Portal. Facebook is a social media platform that connects individuals and facilitates connections with others having similar interests. It generates revenue for Meta through advertising. Instagram is a photo and video sharing app that is popular among individuals and businesses, with advertising being its primary source of revenue for Meta. Messenger and WhatsApp are messaging apps that allow users to communicate with friends, family, groups, and businesses. These apps provide Meta with monetization opportunities such as advertising and charging businesses for premium features. Meta's Reality Labs offers augmented and virtual reality hardware, software, and content, and its Oculus virtual reality headsets for consumers generate revenue through app and game sales. The Meta Portal offers dedicated devices for video calling, satisfying both business and personal communication needs. Meta's Q3 FY 2022 net income was $4.4 billion on $27.7 billion in total revenue, with advertising contributing to 98% of the quarter's total revenue. While revenue dropped 4% year-over-year, YOY, in Q3 FY 2022, Meta's total operating income was $5.664 billion. Meta Inc. boasts an impressive user base with almost 2.8 billion monthly and 1.8 billion daily active users across its social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. This accounts for a significant portion of the active internet users, with almost 60.6% of them using Facebook and its other applications. In the first quarter of FY21, Facebook, Meta generated an astounding revenue of $117.9 billion from advertisements alone. The company's revenue is primarily generated from the US and Canada, followed by Europe and Asia, with the rest of the world contributing the remaining revenue. Facebook has also become a crucial platform for small businesses, with over 80 million entrepreneurs using Facebook pages and marketplace to conduct their business operations. With such impressive statistics, it's natural to wonder how Facebook manages to generate such a massive revenue stream and stay ahead of the competition. It would be fascinating to uncover the secrets behind Facebook's revenue model. Facebook's primary revenue source is its targeted advertisements, also known as Facebook ads, which accounts for almost 97% of its total revenue. Through auctions, Facebook offers ad space on its various platforms, such as Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, to display ads to specific target audiences based on user data collected through its vast user base of around 1.13 billion active users. This data includes users' preferences, interests, and communication patterns, allowing Facebook to offer advertisers high-performing target audiences. Facebook's use of well-structured machine learning algorithms further optimizes the targeting of ads, making Facebook ads a superior option compared to other advertising platforms. Aside from targeted advertisements, Facebook generates revenue from in-game purchases, its personal payment app, Facebook Pay, and affiliate marketing. Additionally, Facebook's move towards the metaverse offers new revenue streams, such as metaverse advertising, digital land ownership, and virtual goods sales. While Facebook's revenue model is highly centralized and dependent on targeted advertisements, its entry into the metaverse and Web 3.0 offers new opportunities for revenue generation. However, Facebook may need to diversify its revenue sources in the future, as relying solely on targeted advertisements may not be sustainable in the long run. Let's look into some general Facebook stats every marketer should know. Facebook is the third most visited website in the world after Google and YouTube. Facebook has 2.96 billion monthly active users, making it the most used social media platform worldwide. Facebook's total ad revenue amounted to $113 billion in 2022. Americans spend about 33 minutes on Facebook every day, ahead of Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. 67.5% of monthly Facebook users are active on the platform daily. 18% of American users trust Facebook to protect their data and privacy. 71% of Facebook users use the platform to message friends and family. 23.7% of Facebook users in the US are between the ages of 25 and 34. Facebook ads have an average click-through rate of 0.90% and cost $1.72 per click. The average conversion rate across industries on Facebook is 9.21%. Facebook generates the highest ROI among social media platforms. The median engagement rate on Facebook is 0.064%. Photo posts and status posts have the highest engagement on Facebook. Frequent posting doesn't result in higher engagement. Live videos see higher engagement than pre-recorded videos. People prefer to watch videos with the sound off. Facebook users watch Reels about 140 billion times daily across the Facebook family of apps. 97.4% of Facebook users access the platform on a mobile device, and 68.7% of users exclusively use their mobile phones to access Facebook. Only 2.6% of users prefer to use only their laptops and desktops. Reels remain popular, with about 140 billion daily plays across the Facebook family of apps. Facebook sees higher usage among people below the age of 44. Facebook is the most used platform for customer service. Well, that's all for today's TechNation episode on Facebook's revenue models and stats. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all those numbers and graphs, don't worry, you're not alone. But one thing's for sure, Facebook isn't hurting for cash. With over $85 billion in revenue last year, they could probably afford to buy a small country or two. So next time you're scrolling through your Facebook feed, just remember that every like, share, and cat video view is helping to keep the Zuckerberg empire afloat. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and financially savvy.